Toy Planet. Hi guys, today we're doing Don't Push the Wrong Button Challenge.
So guys, today if Eva or myself finds the correct button, we are going to win a Hatchimals Pixies. So we've got some of these ready. So we're going to do 3 rounds. We've got 3 Hatchimals Pixies. So the first person to find the correct buzzer will get to open the Hatchimals Pixie. Are you scared? Why are you scared?
I might lose.
But nothing bad's going to happen this time. So if you haven't checked out our last button video, we had to do some pranks and dares on each other, didn't we?
And check it out first before you go to this one.
So we'll put the link up there.
It's right up here in my brain, so it doesn't come up in my brain.
Right, are you ready to get started? So guys, you at home will be able to see now which one of these buttons has got the Hatchimals Pixie behind it. We don't know. But you guys at home will be able to see, okay? Right guys, so I'm gonna go first today. Are you ready, Eva?
Yeah.
So usually I would go for pink because I love pink. But today I'm gonna go for blue.
Yeah. I will not go for pink today.
Okay, Eva's turn. Right, okay, so I've got green and pink left.
I'm
gonna go for pink. Ready? Oh! So it's Eva's turn. I'm guessing the Hatchimals Pixie is gonna be behind the green button. You ready? Oh, Eva, you're so
yes! I always win!
So Eva, we've got a blue, purple or pink Hatchimals Pixie. Which one are you going to go for?
Purple.
Purple. So Eva's going to go for the purple. So guys, here is the Hatchimals Pixie. It's super cute and this giant egg. It's definitely a lot bigger than the usual Hatchimals. And on the back you can see all the different pixies that you can collect. I'm so excited to see how big they are because these eggs are a lot bigger than what I thought they would be. Guys, here is the egg and it's got sparkly bits on the top there.
I'm looking at the checklist.
Cute.
So here's my checklist, guys. And here's the back of my, here's the back of my checklist. You don't really need to rub it.
Oh wow, I can see some green hair.
What is that? Let me get in!
Oh, I think you've got Crystal Camilla.
Maybe they're...
Wow, she is
I
sparkling.
think they said they colour change.
Is there anything else in there?
Oh.
Oh, there's something under
Yeah, there's something under her bed.
Inside, I'll say, it looks like you can break off this and then look, you're left with like somewhere for her to sit. So you break off there and then inside sits there. So guys, here's Eva's first Hatchimals Pixie and look at her wings. That is so cute, guys. So it says on the checklist she likes to eat sugar biscuits and she likes to help friends. And then it says magic magnifier. Ooh. What is it? Oh, so she's got a tiny cupcake. Oh, and she's got a cute headband. She's pretty. What do you think of her, Eva?
Cool.
Cool.
Look.
Should we find her some friends then? Should we play round 2? Right, guys, are you ready? So Eva's going first.
I said I wasn't going to go for the pink, but I was sure it's going to have it. Come on. Stop! Stop!
Right, I'm going to go for a colour that I don't like. I quite like yellow. I really like blue.
That's not yellow, it's orange.
Yellow
It's I just said orange.
Orange. Okay, I'm gonna go for
orange.
I'm gonna go for gorange. Or it should be yorange really, because it's like yellow and orange mixed together. Orange.
Lion.
Look at orange. Oh.
We're gonna go for blue.
Okay, ready? Eva, you're so chubby. Okay, so Eva's found the pixie again. I'm just gonna press the green button anyway, just to see what happens. Are you ready to pick?
I want blue. Oh, it's golden head.
Is it this one? I think you got Wishing Star Willow. So here is Wishing Star Willow.
And I've got you a friend.
Cute.
Her friend's here. She's got like magic sawdust around. The other one had like a flower head.
Oh, what's that? An ice cream. And a paintbrush. She got more accessories, didn't she? Because she's got an ice cream, a headband, and she's got a paint palette. Eva used to like to do this with other things. We used to open and leave like accessories inside the blind bag. So Camilla also has a tiny mirror. Right, Eva, are you ready for round? Round 3.
Oh.
Are you ready for round 3? So third round. Now you guys at home right now will be able to see which one of these buttons the pixie is behind.
Wait.
So guys, it's my turn to go first. And I'm gonna pick, surely it has to be yellow or pink because we've already had green and we've already had blue. I'm gonna go for...
Donut.
Yellow. Oh.
We go for...
Oh, I thought you were going to get that then. So it's going to be one of the buttons that we've already had. Right guys, so I've got to go for green or blue. Green or blue? You think blue?
Yeah.
But we just had blue.
Yes, let's go!
I think it's going to be green.
No, go. If you choose green, then... And if you get it on, then it's going to be me who's going to win blue.
Okay, so I'm going to go for blue then. Are you ready?
I know it's going to be blue.
How do you know that?
Because I do. I'm a smarty pants. I know everything.
Okay, I'm going to go for blue. Ready?
I knew it! I told you I'm a smarty pants.
Right, ready? Okay. Got my pink Hatchimals Pixies.
And she got her friend.
So excited. Right guys, so I've got my Hatchimals Pixie egg. I love the colour on here, it's like ombre. I've got glittering Gigi. Oh, she's pretty. Right guys, so here is my fairy. She's got a cute bed. It's like a garden, like an outside bed.
Can I put it here?
Ooh, look at my accessories. So I've got a teacup and a teapot.
I thought that was a bra.
How cute is that? What do you think of these pixies, Eva?
Awesome, Mummy.
Awesome. I love their wings. They're like jelly. They're like squidgy, aren't they?
Bye guys, thanks for watching. Put your thumbs up if you like this video.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, guys, and click on the bell to be notified of our new videos.